Hey there! Are you tired of dealing with painful cavities and dental procedures? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'll be sharing with you the secrets to never getting another cavity again. From the foods you eat to the habits you maintain, I'll be giving you all the tips you need to keep your teeth healthy and strong for life. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Cavities are a common oral health issue that can lead to pain, tooth decay, and eventually, tooth loss. But, with proper oral hygiene and lifestyle changes, it is possible to avoid getting cavities. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you never get another cavity again. Brush and floss daily. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day, and flossing once a day is essential to removing plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. Plaque is the main cause of cavities, and if not removed regularly, it can lead to tooth decay. Use a fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled brush to brush your teeth gently in circular motions. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Look for mouthwash that contains fluoride, which can strengthen your teeth and help prevent cavities. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash for 30 seconds to a minute, at least once a day. Reduce sugar and carbohydrate intake. Sugar and carbohydrates are the main food source for the bacteria in plaque. The more sugar and carbohydrates you consume, the more plaque you produce, leading to an increased risk of cavities. To reduce your cavity risk, limit your sugar and carbohydrate intake and opt for healthy, low-sugar snacks like raw vegetables, fruits, and unsweetened yogurt. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help rinse away plaque and food particles, keeping your mouth clean and reducing your cavity risk. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, especially after meals. Visit the dentist regularly. Visiting the dentist at least twice a year for a cleaning and checkup is important for maintaining good oral health. The dentist can detect cavities and other oral health issues early and provide treatment before they become serious. The dentist can also give you personalized advice on how to care for your teeth and gums and prevent cavities. Use dental sealants. Dental sealants are thin, plastic coatings that are applied to the chewing surfaces of your back teeth. They provide a barrier between your teeth and food, helping to prevent cavities. Dental sealants are especially recommended for children and teenagers, but they can also be beneficial for adults. Chew gum with xylitol. Chewing gum with xylitol, a natural sweetener, can help reduce the risk of cavities. Xylitol helps to reduce the amount of plaque in your mouth, as well as reducing the amount of acid produced by bacteria. Chew gum with xylitol for at least 5 minutes after meals, but be sure to choose sugar-free gum. Avoid snacking between meals. Snacking between meals can increase your cavity risk, as it provides a constant source of food for the bacteria in plaque. If you must snack, choose healthy, low-sugar options like raw vegetables, fruits, and unsweetened yogurt. And be sure to brush or rinse your mouth with water after snacking. Quit smoking. Smoking can increase your risk of cavities by reducing the amount of saliva in your mouth, which helps to rinse away plaque and bacteria. In addition, smoking can also stain your teeth, making them more prone to cavities. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your oral health. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can also reduce the amount of saliva in your mouth, increasing your risk of cavities. In addition, many alcoholic drinks, especially those that are sweet, can increase your sugar intake, further increasing your risk of cavities. To reduce your cavity risk, Limit your alcohol consumption and opt for sugar-free and low-alcohol beverages. Consume more calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are essential minerals for your teeth. They help to strengthen your tooth enamel and make it more resistant to decay. To increase your calcium and phosphorus intake, include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt in your diet. You can also take calcium and phosphorus supplements if needed. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the proper absorption of calcium, and it helps to maintain strong teeth and bones. To get enough vitamin D, spend time in the sun or take a vitamin D supplement. You can also consume vitamin D rich. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your quest to avoid cavities. Remember, proper oral hygiene and a healthy lifestyle can go a long way in keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Don't forget to brush and floss regularly, visit your dentist, and follow the tips I shared in this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, take care of your pearly whites.